Hi everyone, this is Sultan with Rex Theme again, and in this video I'll show you how you can embed a virtual tour that you created with WPVR on your website using the WPVR Gutenberg block. So let's get started. So here is a virtual tour that I created already. It's a real estate virtual tour. It's complete. I've used all the features in the plugin and I have already published the tour. So now what I need to do is I need to embed this on a page or a post on my website. So I've already opened a new page where I'm using Gutenberg. So now here first I will select the WPVR Gutenberg block. Just click on the plus and search for WPVR and you'll find it. Alright, so this is how the block looks when you select it, and on the right side you'll get the option to input the ID, the width of the tour and the height of the tour, and set a radius if you want to. Now before I do that, let me point out certain things. To use the WPVR Gutenberg block, you need to remember the tour title that you assigned and the ID. So any tour you create, on the general settings you'll find this section that says for Gutenberg, select tour with ID on WPVR block setting 490 or any ID that the tour has. So this is basically the ID. So now let me go to that page again, and here on the ID, if I click on this, you'll see you'll get the options of all the tours you created. This will contain the tour title and the ID. So the one I created is real estate tour with the ID 490. So I'll select that one. Now the width, height and the radius is something I can customize as I want. Now if you give normal number values, this will be counted as pixels, and let me just show you how it looks with this ones. There you go, the tour is loaded. So as you see, the size of the tour, this is 600 pixel of width and 400 pixel of height. That is already set in the WPVR block that I used. Alright, and I can completely navigate it if I want to. Alright, so now next thing to do is let me show you how to customize the size of the tour. Let's say I'll assign this as 800 and I'll assign this as, let's say, 800 as well. Alright, now you see this is the size right now. If I click on preview, now you see the size has increased. I've increased the width and the height of the tour. Okay, now let's get back to this page again, and now I'll show you something else. We can also change the width to 100%, which will initiate that your tour will take up the width of the 100% of the container. So let me just show you how that looks. There you go. As you see, this is the container width of the page that I'm using. So when you use 100% as the tour width, it will take up the whole container. Now other than 100%, there is another one you can use, which is called full width. If you use full width, this will take up the full width of the whole page rather than the container of the page. Let me show you. There you go. As you can see, now the tour has taken the full width of the whole page. So that's how you customize the size of the tour using WPVR Gutenberg block. You can either use pixel values, or you can use the 100% tag, or you can use a full width tag. Now let me show you how the radius works. I can just input value here and it will work as pixels. As you can see, there's a radius at the corners of the tour. So that's how you use the WPVR Gutenberg block. So now you'll be able to embed a virtual tour you created on your website using the WPVR Gutenberg block. And with that, I'll see you in my next video. Take care.